I start by mixing permanent orange with cobalt blue to form a brown hue, which is then mixed with Naples yellow to paint the bunnies. To paint a bunny using watercolor, first I create an oval shape to represent the body of the bunny. If you are good at drawing ovals in different angles, then painting these bunnies will be easy and fun. Next, I paint a smaller oval shape for the head of the bunny. When painting the bunny's head, I imagine an egg shape wider at one end and narrower at the other end. So the nose fits where it tapers. Once I finish painting the head, next I have to add the ears. As the bunny is looking sideways, we have to add one ear longer and the other one shorter. After painting the bunny ears, next I'm using a gray shade to distinguish between the body and the head by just making a stroke as in the video. Next, using a clean wet brush, I tap on the tail area to make the pigment diffuse from its place and create a fluffy appearance for the tail of the bunny. After that, I mix brown hue with sap green to reduce its intensity and to get a muted green to paint the grass. When the head portion is completely dry, you can add nose and an eye for the bunny using the gray shade. Painting the second bunny is the easiest one because we are going to paint the back side of the bunny. Using the same mix of permanent orange, cobalt blue and Naples yellow, I paint an oval shape, which is then followed by a semicircle for the head. Then I add ears for the bunny and using a gray shade, I make a stroke to distinguish between the head from the body. Using a clean wet brush, I tap on the tail area to diffuse the pigment and create a fluffy tail. Again, using the muted green, I paint the grass. For the third bunny, we are going to paint another oval shape, but it is slightly tilted towards left side. I'm using the same combination of pigments, that is permanent orange, cobalt blue and Naples yellow, to paint this bunny. Just like with the first bunny, we have to paint the head like an egg shape and its nose will be at the narrow end. Just add one ear longer and other one shorter. Again, using a gray shade, I'm distinguishing the head from the body part. As the tail is at the right side of the body, so we have to add clean water at the right edge of the oval as in the video. After painting the tail using muted green, paint the grass. After painting the bunnies and grass, I added some flowers using blue hue. We have painted three different bunnies looking in various directions using loose watercolor painting technique. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and being here till the end of this video. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.